Hello guys, in this video we need just to have an initial look for the SQL interface. We see what kind of options do I have in the main wizard, and for this purpose my domain controller is online, my server 2 is online. I'll just want to test it as an ISO image, so right click on Victoria Server to access to settings, and then we need of course in CD browse. I need to link the SQL which I just downloaded. So I can open it from inside the virtual machine. Now click on Windows Explorer on this PC. Here we have now the DVD. Double click on it. SQL Server 2019. Please wait. We are waiting. And this is the interface. It is similar to all previous interfaces. Nothing new. So here we have planning. We can check for hardware and software requirements, security documentation. You can spend some good time to just check these. If you want now to check them, make sure the server can access to the internet. And just a quick reminder, we have two options to do that. The first one, you need to power on the router. We already set the router to access to the internet, and we did that setting in course 1 in the Windows Server 2019 series. Or the other option is to add another network adapter, and this network adapter you need to connect it to NAT. So by this machine will be able to access to the main network and through it to the internet directly. No need to go through the router. We have the installation, and here we have different kind of installation. A new SQL Server standalone installation or add feature. Install SQL Server reporting services, management tools, data tool, failover cluster installation if we want to have more than one server, etc. Maintenance. We have the tools, system configuration checker. We need to go through this one before even start the installation, make sure everything is working smoothly. And here our main operating system is Windows Server 2019, so the requirement might be different from 2016, and we need to keep that in mind. Resources, again, we need to access online to check more information. Advanced, install based on configuration file if we have it. Advanced cluster preparation, advanced cluster completion. This is when I want to install it on a second node, because currently even I don't have a cluster. Image preparation of a standalone instance of SQL Server. Image completion of prepare standalone instance of SQL Server. So as you see, we have very good advanced options. And here the options specify the location of SQL Server installation media. It is on D, which is my DVD drive. Now we need to spend some good time for our planning to know exactly what are the requirements, what kind of security settings I might need to go with, and also if there is any update I might need to add it to Windows Server 2019. Then we can start with the first instance of SQL Server 2019. Thanks for watching.